the map of ALAGWOROIKE, DURUEKE, meaning the Greek member of the KLAN kingdom of kings. The DURUEKE of DURU, AGEINA, a grandson of the god Anu, who was able to control the god Oshiri Oriozo, the god of death. Anu is the son of Duru Emperor AGHEINA, the Igbo of Ouwarre. Anu is the short form of Anuforo by 4000 BC. Anuforo was broken up at Neme Urata, DURUEKE of Uju Umpata, Anu, while Foro became Pharaoh, the kingly title, now Europeanized to Pharaoh. The word bank is an Igbo word formed from Oba. In Igbo English, Oba is bank. We have Oba Ego today, but in the past it was Oba Aku, Oba Uji, food produced as grains, etc. The name Spain was invented by the Europeans, Greek, to replace the original name, which is Agu Azoma Uku, meaning the island of the Azoma Uku lion's toes. Agu means lion, Azoma means island. Same with Onima, Uku means toe.
You know what history means? History is the guidepost of a race. It is the inspiration for succeeding generations either to go forward or stand still, either to revenge or be revenged. I had a motive and a purpose. It was a crying voice from the grave that said, "Gaffy, we have suffered for 250 years for your day and time. We expect something of you at this hour." The prejudice against us as an African people is not because of color, it's because of our condition. The prejudice against us as an African people is not because of color, it's because of our condition. If we must have justice, we must be strong. If we must be strong, we must come together. If we must come together, we can only do so through the system of organization. To fight for African redemption does not mean that you must be disloyal to any government or country wherein you were born. It is not our purpose or intention to send all black people back to Africa. No! Those of us who leave America to go settle permanently in Africa will become pioneers, pilgrim fathers of the new nation. The African race became strong in Africa, it could be strong everywhere. For 250 years, we have struggled under the burden and rigors of slavery. We were brutalized, we were maimed, we were killed, we were ravaged in every way. We are men. We have hopes, we have passions, we have feelings, we have desires just like any other race. The cries raised all over the world of Canada for the Canadians, of America for the Americans, of England for the English, of France for the French, of Germany for the Germans. Do you think it unreasonable that we, the blacks of the world, should raise a cry of Africa for the Africans? The Negro is a man. We represent the new Negro. His back is not yet against the wall. We do not want his back against the wall because that would be a peculiar and desperate position. We do not want him there. It's because of this that we are asking for a fair compromise. The Belgians have control of the Belgian Congo, which they cannot use. They have not the resources to develop nor the intelligence. The French have more territory than they can develop. There are certain parts of Africa in which you cannot live at all. So it is for you to come together and give us a United States of Africa.